Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OGOM'S, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I'm making a meal, not a meal. I got a contract to make they want food for a training in one company like that. So I'm making fried rice, salad and pepper chicken. So if you want to know more, please click on the subscribe button, like if you haven't liked, comment, share my videos if you like any, and let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a contract job of catering for a training which requires 15 auditors or so. So a customer that actually bought meals from me told me that the company is having a training that I should please try get the cost for 15 people. So we are doing fried rice and chicken, turkey, then they choose stir fried spaghetti. So I'm market right now. I'm getting the chicken, I'm getting the rice, I'm getting the spaghetti, everything that we need, the spices, the groundnut oil, the Maggi, everything that is needed in order to make a meal. So I'm in the market right now, and I also need to get carrots, some veggies, green pepper, cabbage, and the rest of them, and also pepper, everything that we need in order to make a stir-fried spaghetti. And I'm in the market right now, and things are really getting like very high. Look at that small carrot that is not even looking tall, that is not even tall like me, that they're selling for 200 naira. Like, it's something else. So right now I'm getting the takeaway plates that I'll be using to dish out the food, and the guy is actually counting it. So I'm back home right now. Just came back from the market, so here's my car, and it's filled up to the brim. Here are the things, some here. So guys, Coco, hi baby. So here is our chicken, and we marinated it in the yesterday night to be used this morning. So it's morning right now, and we're about cooking the chicken. Okay, sorry about that. My girl is actually the one, Patience is actually the one doing the video, so that's why you can see shaky daddy, shaky mommy. So we marinated yesterday night, and here right now we're about cooking the chicken. So keep watching. So guys, the rice is down, and we've already put the frying pan for the meat. Patience is here too. Patience, say hi. Hi. So Patience is already doing a good job too. So I added onions and bay leaves to the oil. It kind of like gives it a different kind of smell. So I'll be adding the chicken. Here is the chicken. So guys, here, my neighbors are the pepper. Like, my neighbors are the pepper. So right now, please guys, this is not a tutorial video on how to make fried rice. I have a tutorial on how to make fried rice on my channel. So right now I'm putting the spices. I've already put the oil, groundnut oil, the onions, the pepper, fried rice, spice, and I'm stirring everything together. I'm checking for taste. So right now I'm adding the carrots, because carrots makes your fried rice to pop out, like the colors will be popping. And right now I'm adding the green pepper. Green pepper also helps your fried rice to pop out. And now I'm adding liver, at least in a liter I say na talo liver. So I've added salt, and I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce. I'm adding garlic and ginger powder. I'm stirring everything together, and right now I'll be pouring our rice. So the frying pan is big enough for me to just go like 2 batches, than for me to keep turning keep I will turn, I will pour, I will turn, I will pour. So I got this frying pan, and I'm so glad that I did get it. So right now I'm turning and mixing everything together for it to incorporate well, checking taste and the rest of them. So right now I have finished turning everything, and I'm about putting it in that big pot that you can see right there, and LOTANNA comes out to come to the stove. So right now I'm dishing out the rice into the pot so that it's kind of like stays warm or stays hot after I must have finished doing the other things. So right now I have finished dishing out the rice into the pot, so I'll be covering it to do for the second batch. Okay, so right now I'm done with the second batch, and I'm dishing out the foods already because I need to deliver the food before 12 p.m. So I'm dishing out the food right now. The plantain is there, the peppered chicken is there, and then Patience is right at the corner mixing the salad, because the salad will be in a separate plate. If it was the normal plate that I use for my abacha, and my normal plate, the black one, has 3 partitions that would enter everything, but she requested that we use a different plate for everything. So right now I'm about putting the plantain, the pepper chicken, and everything, like get everything set so that we'll meet up with time. Okay, so right now I have finished adding everything. I'm now adding the pepper chicken into the meal. So Patience will be turning the salad and putting it in a separate plate so that we get to arrange everything. I will take my pictures, I will take my videos and the rest of them. So right now we have finished dishing out everything, and here is the complete package. This is your yummy fried rice with plantain, with your salad, with your chicken, that peppered chicken. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. I appreciate it.